Hi everybody, if you're watching this video, it means that you wanted to see a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid, or you wanted to get an idea of what it was. Flipgrid is just an online service that allows us to post short videos and be able to see other short videos based on a topic. So this week, you're going to be asked to use Flipgrid to share work from your specialist teachers, as well as one assignment from me is going to be based on Flipgrid. Now, Flipgrid does have a security feature where you can only access our grid if you have the link and if you have an Alpena Schools email address. You will not be able to view our grid if you do not have an email address that ends in @alpenaschools.com or @student.alpenaschools.com. So here's how Flipgrid works. On your checklist, you will first need to go and click the Flipgrid link. This will take you directly to the grid that you need for this particular assignment. Once there, you will have to log in with Google, and like I said, make sure that you use your Alpena Public Schools email address. Once you're in, you can press the green plus sign to get started. Record your video. I'm just going to give you an example here. When you're done recording, click Next. It will allow you to re-watch your video before moving on. Next, we take a selfie. And you can actually dress up your selfie however you want. You can draw on it. We can add fun emojis. We can even type or use filters. Make sure that whatever you're doing with your emoji is school appropriate. Your video will be deleted if anything you do is not appropriate. Click Next when you're ready. In this top box, just make sure that it has your first name and last initial. You do not need anything in the other two boxes. Click Submit when you're done. And it's as easy as that. The best way to get to know the program is to give it a try yourself. Have fun, and I cannot wait to see your videos later today.